Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be telling you about the solution of undoing changes made to your computer. So this is actually a very serious issue. I also suffered with the same issue 1 month ago. So I will be sharing my experience with you that how I actually came out of this problem. Okay, so firstly let me tell you that what is this problem. So sometimes what happens is when you try to update your Windows, then sometimes you mistakenly done some of the interruption to it, due to which your Windows installation is stopped, right? It actually happens with a lot of people, because definitely the duration of the window updation is very long and the people being frustrated do something wrong. It actually normally happens with everyone, right? So what happens is sometimes when you restart your computer after the window updation has been failed, then the system will be confused by seeing the properly unproper installed Windows. By seeing it just get confused, and even your previous version has not been restored. So what it will do, it will again make a restart action, and again the same thing will happen, it will again get confused. So in this way an infinite loop occur like this, and this just keep on revolving in this only. Okay, and I have actually read a lot of article by which are posted by a lot of people. They were saying that they have actually coped with this problem for very long hours, like 30 hours or even 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so I will be telling you that how I actually came out of this problem. But before that, let me tell you some of the solutions that I tried by watching the YouTube videos and reading a lot of articles. So I would recommend that firstly try those solutions, maybe they work for you, and then go with solution that I am telling you, that what I have done. Okay, so let's begin. So these were the solutions that I watched on various YouTube videos, and I read a lot of articles on web. So from those I came up with these solutions. Okay, so let me tell you in the beginning only that nothing actually worked for me. Okay, but you must try them, because a lot of people are there who got their solution from these options only. So this is your destiny, maybe you will get the right solution from this only. Okay, so the first thing was press left shift key continuously. So it was like, when you have to restart, whenever you restart your computer, just start pressing the left shift key continuously. So I actually tried this solution and I continuously pressed the left shift key for 2 or 3 minutes, but nothing happened. So it doesn't work in my case. Okay, so this method was failed. So next thing was press F8 key continuously. So I have, just like the left shift key, I actually tried it also, but nothing happened. Then there was a solution which was actually quite effective, and this actually worked in a lot of people cases, so you must try it. So it was, just press the escape key continuously. Okay, so whenever you will do this, you will see 4 or 5 options written on your screen. Then you have to press F11. Then from there you have to go in troubleshoot option, then choose the advanced option, and then there will be an option which is startup repair. So choose this option, and then you will see a window in which your account name is written. So just click that particular window, and then it will ask for your password. So enter your password, and after this a diagnosis will start and a troubleshooting will be there, and it will actually fix your problem. Okay, but it actually didn't work in my case, so this also failed for me. Then the last method was remove battery. So this is actually very traditional method, a lot of people trying it from a very longer time, that whatever problem occurred in your system, just remove the battery and insert it again. Okay, but I was unable to try it because my battery is actually completely fused inside my system, and I have to unscrew my system if I want to remove the battery. So that's why I was unable to try it. So this also failed for me. So now I will be telling you that what was the solution that I tried. Okay, so and I'm telling you in the beginning only that it's completely your destiny that whether it will work or not, but you must try the solution that I am telling. Okay, so let's see. So I came up with this solution, and this solution actually worked for me, so you can try it if it works for you. So what I did, when I restarted my system, I just continuously pressed the escape key, and then I went into the system recovery mode by pressing the F11, and then I choose the option use another operating system, and then I got the 2 entries, that was the Windows 10 and the default one. So firstly I clicked on this default one, and again my Windows starts reloading. but after the reloading it again went into the same loop which I was facing earlier. Okay, so what I did, I again shut down my PC forcefully and I again repeat the same method. But next time after reaching on this step, that is Windows 10 and default, I just choose this one, Windows 10. This time instead of choosing this default one, I choose this Windows 10. Okay, so after that again the reloading of Windows starts and I was out of this loop. So you can try this method, it actually worked for me. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and I just hope that this solution works also for you. Okay, and please let me know in the comment section that whether this solution worked or not. Okay, thank you.